How to erase data in Samsung Health. This tutorial shows you how to remove your health and fitness data from the Samsung Health application on your Android device. First, open the Samsung Health application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the menu. Now, scroll down and look for Privacy or Data Management. Moving forward, tap on Privacy to access your data options. You'll see different data categories available. Afterwards, tap on Erase Data. You'll see options to erase specific types of data, like steps, weight, or sleep. Tap on the data type you want to remove. A confirmation screen will appear showing what will be erased. Tap on Erase to confirm and remove that specific data. If you want to erase all your Samsung Health data at once, go back and look for Erase All Data option. Tap on Erase All Data. A warning message will appear letting you know this action cannot be undone. Tap on Confirm or OK to permanently erase all your health data. Your Samsung Health data has now been completely removed from your device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you erase data in Samsung Health, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.